do you know that there's a huge direct association by dentists being depressed?
Yeah.
There's a high statistic, if not the highest within medicine.
Yeah.
And I'm like,
Number one
really?
suicide rate.
Exactly.
Dentists.
Why?
Well, I think it's hopefully dentists of the past, but I mean, think about what it is that we do, right? Number one, typically, we are in monotoned, old, dingy offices for 8 hours a day, right? So think of, Dubai is different because it's so new and clean and everything, but like, if you go to the States in a regular dentist's office, it's pretty dismal, right? And these are like, good dentists that have been practicing for a long time that probably have not updated their office design-wise. What you just said when we were out there, you're like, oh, I'm gonna change some things. Dentists probably don't change their office every 15 to 20 years.
Wow.
So you can imagine like green wallpaper from the 80s or like tiled floors or like the tiled ceilings that you can poke up that look like styrofoam. Dismal. That's your environment that you're going to every day, right? So that's setting your mood. Then you're going in, and what is your job? Your job is to take somebody with fear. What's the first thing people say when they sit down in the chair? Oh, I'm sweating, I hate the dentist. It's like, okay, thanks.
Great start.
Yeah, awesome. Then you're gonna say, no, but you're not gonna feel a thing, and you're gonna brandish a needle, right? And what do you think that's gonna do to a patient? You think they want you, putting on gloves and like sticking a needle in their mouth, and then you're gonna grab the drill. And what are they gonna say? I hate that noise. So it's like all of these negative, okay, so fine. You go through all of that and you just did a filling for $200, right? And that patient is calling you all hours of the night. My tooth is killing me. What did you do to my tooth? You screwed up, you don't know what you're doing. I want my money back. I mean, that's the life of a general dentist. It's pretty miserable. And that is why, we've worked so hard to try and change that perception.